The YouTube Gold Rush your channel awaits. Ever dreamed of making money online? YouTube offers a fantastic opportunity. Millions of people watch videos every day. You can turn your passion into profit by creating engaging content. Whether it's cooking, gaming, or teaching, there's an audience for you. You might be thinking, is it too late to start? Absolutely not. New channels pop up every day and find success. The key is to create high-quality content that resonates with viewers. This essay will be your guide to navigating the world of YouTube and building your own CashCow channel. We'll cover everything from setting up your channel to monetizing your content. Are you ready to strike gold on YouTube? Let's get started. Building your mind. Setting up your channel for success. Before you start uploading, you need to build a solid foundation for your channel. Think of it as setting up your mining operation. First, create a Google account if you don't already have one. This will give you access to YouTube. Next, choose a catchy and memorable channel name. Keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to your content. Now it's time to design your channel. Your channel art and profile picture are the first things viewers see, so make them visually appealing. Use high-quality images that represent your brand. Finally, write a compelling channel description. Tell viewers who you are, what you do, and what they can expect from your channel. Striking gold, creating content that attracts viewers. Content is king on YouTube. To attract viewers, you need to create high-quality, engaging videos. But what does that mean? First, choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know much about? Focusing on a specific topic helps you attract a dedicated audience. Once you have a niche, start brainstorming video ideas. What questions do people ask about your topic? What problems can you help them solve? When creating your videos, focus on quality over quantity. Use good lighting and sound. Edit your videos to be clear, concise, and engaging. And most importantly, be yourself. People connect with authenticity. The more the merrier, growing your subscriber base. Getting your first 100, 1,000, or even 10,000 subscribers can seem daunting. But don't worry, it's achievable with consistent effort and a few key strategies. Firstly, promote your channel on your other social media platforms. Share your videos with your friends, family, and followers. You never know who might be interested in your content. Secondly, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and even give shout-outs in your videos. Building a community around your channel will keep viewers coming back for more. Finally, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help people find your videos when searching on YouTube. Turning views into treasure. YouTube monetization methods. Once you've built a decent following, it's time to start thinking about monetization. Luckily, YouTube offers several ways to make money from your channel. The most common method is through advertising revenue. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once approved, ads will appear on your videos and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Another monetization method is through sponsorships. Brands may pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. This works best if you have a large, engaged audience that aligns with the brand's target market. You can also sell merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. This is a great way to generate income and promote your brand simultaneously. Essential tools for your prospectors kit. Starting on YouTube can feel overwhelming, but many tools and resources can make your life easier. Here are a few essentials. Video editing software. You don't need expensive software to edit your videos. Free options like iMovie for Mac or DaVinci, Resolve for Windows, Mac, and Linux offer basic editing features. Screen recording software. If you plan on creating tutorials or gameplay videos, you'll need a screen recording tool. OBS Studio is a popular free and open source option. YouTube Analytics. YouTube provides a wealth of data about your channel's performance. Use this data to track your progress, understand your audience, and optimize your content. In addition to these tools, many online communities and forums are dedicated to helping YouTubers succeed. Don't be afraid to reach out for help and advice from fellow creators. Learning from the success of others. One of the best ways to learn about YouTube is by studying successful creators in your niche. Look at their content, their upload schedule, and how they interact with their audience. What makes their videos engaging? What kind of titles and thumbnails do they use? Don't copy them directly, but draw inspiration and learn from their strategies. You can also learn from the mistakes of others. Watch videos from creators who have shared their failures and what they learned. This can help you avoid common pitfalls on your YouTube journey. Taking your first steps on the road to YouTube riches. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. The most important thing is to start. You don't need a fancy camera or years of experience. Just start creating and uploading content. Pick a topic you're passionate about. Grab your smartphone and start filming. Share your knowledge, your creativity, your stories. The more you create, the better you'll become. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Be patient, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Don't just dream it, do it. Your YouTube adventure starts today. The world of YouTube awaits, full of opportunities for those willing to put in the work. By following the tips in this essay, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving channel and potentially earning a substantial income. Remember, the most important step is to start. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Embrace the challenge, have fun, and watch as your channel grows. So what are you waiting for? The gold rush is on and your YouTube adventure starts today.